Yeah, today's class we're looking at what JavaScript can do. What JavaScript can do. So I'll create a folder. I'll just give it a name. Let me give it touch. So I would go ahead and open my VS Code, then open folder, locate the folder I just created, touch. But yeah, so I'll create a file in this index. Yeah, the boilerplate. So we're looking at what JavaScript can do. I'll make this a comment. Yeah. So what can JavaScript do? So let's have H1 here. What JavaScript can do. So we're looking at it from the standpoint that take note that okay, let's see, change this, change that. You can change HTML content. You can change HTML attribute. You can change CSS content. You can, but let's just look at how you can change HTML attributes. Looking at it from the standpoint that yes, you can change HTML attributes. So I want to add a button. Now I would include an onClick event. An onClick is an event in JavaScript. On click, I would say that you should get documents dot get elements by ID. So what I want to do is I actually want to show you that with HTML you can change the attributes of an image. Yeah, like a bulb. I want to switch on a bulb and then turn it on. So I have two bulbs here. I'll copy this. Okay, let me just cut this. Locate the folder I created. So inside this folder, I can just paste again right here, right? I can just paste. So I have the bulb. This is the one when light is on. So this is the one when light is on. So let me copy this part. I'll copy relative part. Yeah, I can copy relative part of this. So get elements by ID. Yeah. Okay. So I would open, then I would call this. I'll call this my image. Let me not use demo this time. Just stay with me. My image, yeah. Dot src. Okay, this is not what I want to use. So I have copied the part of the image already. Yes, so I have copied the part of the image. So what should this do? This should turn, I think it's gonna turn off because yeah, bulb, yeah, off. It's gonna turn off. So when you click on this, you turn off. Now I'm gonna create. Now this time around, it's gonna be an image. It's not gonna be a button. The image source this time around is going to be bulb. That is when the bulb is actually off. So I want to create an ID for this image. The ID I used there, which is my image. I used an ID. So we are getting image elements by ID. So because we are getting image elements here by ID, the ID we used earlier here is my image. Yeah. So what we used earlier here, actually my image. So we have to also retain that same thing here. And now we can now have another button. This time around. Yeah, on click. We'll now do on click document.get elements by ID. But this time around, we want to turn it on. So we have to use the other image that looks like the bulb is turned on, copy relative path, and then we'll paste this in here. So we open with live server and we have this. Okay, so what HTML can do? So this is off already, so this is on, so we turn it on and then we turn it off, we turn it on and then we turn it off. So this is a simple, you know, function of JavaScript, of what JavaScript can do. Yeah, so this is everything, every part of the code. Yeah, thank you.